Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how sunflower oil is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Once harvested, the seeds are immediately transferred to transport vehicles to preserve their freshness and quality.
Every batch is cleaned and inspected to remove impurities and ensure only premium seeds move to production.
Every bottle is tested before leaving the facility to guarantee the highest quality sunflower oil reaches your kitchen.
And that's how sunflower oil is made. From golden fields to your table, every step ensures quality and purity.